Our moving experience was great. We got in on Monday, tow motor service, right to the booth, and it's taken us a day and a half to set up.
When we get here, all our stuff, our carpets laid, our tables and chairs we've ordered, everything's sitting in here and ready to go. So it's pretty easy, and the tear down and the leaving is just as easy here for us.
Seller's Exposition's been great for us. The facility, like I mentioned, has been really, really helpful. Whenever we need something, they're here. They pick up, drop off a lot of our equipment really quickly. It works well for us and the team.
No move-in problems at all. We managed to get our big trailers in here without any trouble.
It's been a good experience. They're very helpful, and I would recommend them to anybody.